Hey guys, I'm still on the road and I'm actually about to head out, and I wanted to make a compact protein breakfast to bring with me. And I want to show it to you guys because this recipe, it's easy to swap things out, to do healthy swaps, which I'm all about. Also to prep a bunch, keep it in your fridge. And then when you want a quick protein packed breakfast, you just pop it in the oven at a low temperature, warm it up, and then breakfast is ready. So here we go, quick protein breakfast to bring with you or just to have prepped in your fridge. So a lot of my stuff in this video and probably my next video has to be handheld because I don't have my tripod. It's back in New York. So sorry if it's a little like wobbly, like horror movie styles, but hey, at least we're together and we're talking about some healthy recipes. So check this out. So here is 6 egg whites and 1 yolk. So little healthy swap, just do mostly egg whites. I like to do 1 or 2 yolks. This one I did 1, but again, you can do all egg whites. So the healthy swap there is mostly egg whites. So this is this chicken that I had. You guys know I always have different kinds of protein prepped in my fridge. This is a perfect example. Was 4 chicken breasts that I had prepped in my fridge, just very simply sauteed. So I chopped 1 here. This is a chicken breast that's chopped up. Have a little bit of chopped onion, peeled and chopped pepper, which this I make a lot. You guys have seen me do this before, where I'm gonna cook this up first. And this is some beautiful spinach that I got at the farmer's market. So it'll add color and nutrients as well. And we're gonna put this whole thing into our muffin tin. So easy, so great to grab on the go. And then we'll just top it with a little bit of cheese. Beautiful protein breakfast, nutritious. Let's do it. So I've showed you guys this a lot, where I start with a little bit of diced onion and the peeled and chopped red pepper. I always like cooking it first, even though we're gonna bake it in the muffin tin, because it sweetens the onion and makes it not so crunchy, brings out the flavors. It's such a beautiful addition to many, many dishes. So this is a perfect example. I'm gonna add this to our egg cups. So we're gonna cook this for about 5 minutes until the onions are a little translucent and sweet. Okay, so I just added the spinach. It's beautiful and wilted, mixed with the pepper and the onion. So we're gonna let that cool, and then we're gonna make our little cups. The other thing too is, you guys asked me about different kind of school lunch ideas. So whether you have toddlers to teenagers, this is a great, nutritious, protein-packed to-go lunch for them. You can also add brown rice or whatever else you want to this, like whatever carb you want. And they're just so great to bring on the go and so nutritious for them for school. Okay, cool. So let's do this. So now I'm gonna use my little measuring cup. This is the one they have at this place that we're at. By the way, I really miss my Prepon kitchen food prep lids because these are just gonna sit on the counter and get all gross and dry. I'm gonna try to cover them with, I guess, some kind of wrap, but man, I really miss my products. So what I'm gonna do is evenly distribute the egg into 6 cups. So I sprayed a little bit of olive oil in my muffin tins already. So you wanna fill them maybe about halfway or so, because we're gonna add the filling to it. You don't want it to spill over. So to be safe, why don't we fill them halfway? And then if we need to, we can top it off. Okay, so now we're gonna add our filling. So let's sprinkle evenly all the filling that we have. So clean hands. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Oh my gosh, totally protein packed. And add our vegetables. Now it's probably easier and cleaner if you use a spoon or a fork, but I tend to do everything with my hands, so I always wash my hands. And then I use my hands a ton when I'm cooking. Just depends on your preference. So now we want to clean up. Let's get a towel and clean that out. Okay, now let's get this in our oven. This oven cooks crazy quickly. So I've had to learn that the hard way here. But I'm gonna have this at 340. So at home, I'd normally cook something like this at 350, but this oven, for some reason, cooks like crazy fast. So I turn it down to 340. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna check it in about 7 minutes. Okay, the timer just went off. So you wanna turn them around. So we're gonna give it a little spin. Put it back in for another 7 minutes and we'll take a peek. Okay, these are looking done. So these just came out of the oven. We're gonna sprinkle it with some cheese. If you do a gentle touch, the egg whites are set, which is what you want. So now we're just gonna sprinkle them with a little cheese. And then the other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosely drape some tin foil over the top just while they cool to make sure that the eggs are super set. The cheese will melt. So you don't want to smush them. You just want to gently kind of cover it so that some heat traps in there and a little bit of the steam will melt the cheese and set the eggs. Just let it sit for a few minutes. Okay, it's been a few minutes. Let's take a look. Ooh, that looks so good. Look at that beautiful melted cheese. Oh my goodness. I just reached right in with my hands. So now let's just pop one out and take a look. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, here, let's take this one. This one looks nice and melted. Careful, they're hot. Okay, let me see if I can cut this with one hand. Oh, that's so beautiful, you guys. Look, it's perfectly cooked. There's wonderful vegetables in there. Oh, that looks so good. Yay. Okay, so now for my favorite part, we're gonna taste it. Oh, you guys. It's perfect. Oh my gosh. Tell me what you think. You guys, you can taste the nutrition too. Oh, they're delicious. Oh my gosh, my family's gonna love these. Yay. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one, and I'll see you guys soon.